Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In today's video I have a 2019 Hyundai Kona. This is a petrol model and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter. So first off, come over to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully, and just down into the footwell there's a lever here. Give that a pull and come round to the front of the car. Just above the Hyundai badge there's a lever. Push that to the left and lift up the bonnet. We're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once you're confident the bonnet's safe and secure, just come down to the right hand side. You'll notice this black spot box here just below the battery, and there is two clips, one down here, push that to the right, and one up here, push that to the left. Once they're done, you can just rotate the box up and around, and that'll expose our air filter. So just get your fingers in there, be able to lift the air filter straight out. This one's not too dirty. Always remember to give the box a bit of a clean out. Use a vacuum cleaner just to get rid of any debris. Get your new filter. Drop it straight back in, making sure it's fully seated. Get the lid. Two clips over on the left. Rotate it round. Clip back on, and that's how easy it is. That's my video on how to remove and replace the air filter on a 2019 Kona, and this is a petrol model. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.